In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a payment method in Navan and explain everything you need to know about using the software. By the end, you'll be confident in managing payments on this platform, whether you're booking travel, managing expenses, or handling day-to-day operations for your business. Before we dive in, I've got something special for you. You can use Navan for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link below. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around until the end of this video because we've got a huge offer that will help you make the most out of Navan's powerful features. Now, let's get into how to add a payment method in Navan. First, you'll need to log into your account. Once you're in, head to the top right corner where you'll find your profile. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select the Settings option. From the Settings menu, navigate to the Payment Methods section. This is where you can manage all your payment details, including adding new cards or bank accounts. To add a new payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the details of the payment method you'd like to add. This could be a credit card, debit card, or a bank account, depending on what works best for your business. You'll need to input the card number, expiration date, and CVV code for credit or debit cards, or the necessary details for bank accounts. It's important to double-check that all details are entered correctly to avoid any payment issues down the line. After entering the payment details, click the Save button, and your payment method will be added to Navan. You can always come back to this section to update, remove, or add more payment methods whenever necessary. One of the great things about Navan is its flexibility in managing multiple payment methods. Whether you're paying for travel bookings, subscriptions, or expenses, you can seamlessly use any method you've added in this section. If you've ever had trouble navigating payment platforms before, you'll appreciate how user-friendly Navan is. The process is simple, and you can add, update, or remove payment methods with just a few clicks. Now, here's the pro tip. If you're managing payments for a team or multiple projects, Navan allows you to organize payment methods under different categories. This can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. Make sure to explore these options to customize your payment settings further. If you're looking to streamline your business operations, Navan can handle a lot of your financial management in one place. It's an all-in-one solution for tracking expenses, handling bookings, and even organizing your team's payment methods in a way that suits your workflow. Lastly, don't forget that you can access Navan for free by using the link in the description below. Our exclusive offer gives you extended access, so you can explore the full range of features that can help optimize your business management, all without spending a dime upfront. So to recap, log into your account, head to Settings, and add your payment methods under the Payment Methods section. With just a few simple steps, you can be up and running, making payments quickly and securely. And remember, if you want to get started with Navan for free, be sure to check out the link below. You'll get an extended free trial and some extra perks to help you get the most out of the software. Thanks for watching.